Okay, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and work on the Peachland project. What we need to do first is open a new plan. Okay, and now we want to go ahead and send in our floor plan. So what we're going to do is import PDF. Here's Peachland file. You could send in all the pages or the current page. I'll go ahead and I'm going to send them all in for now. Hit OK. Let them all load. Okay, and now that we have them loaded, what we need to do is let's put them on a layer so we can turn the layer on and off. We may or may not need this. Let me scoot this over 1 second. Okay, we're going to open, go to line style. Oh, it's on picture PDF boxes. Fine. Let's copy. We rename this plans PDF. You hit OK. Okay. It's going to put it on that layer. And now if we want to turn the layer off, you just click on one of them, click on the O, hit that, and they're gone. You want them back on, then you need to go to your layers palette, go to the plans PDF, click it on, get back. Okay, so we want the floor plan, which is this one here. You can take it and we can pull it over here if we want. And there's several ways of doing this. We could draw it over here and move it around, or we could overlap it. And then you'll get something close. It won't be perfect, but it will be close if you do it and you just overlap it like this. But for this purpose, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to draw it over here. You see here we have 9'4" ceilings. So first things first, let's go ahead and change our ceilings. First floor, edit. Okay, and we're going to go 112, which is 9'4". You type 112, you could type in 9'4". It's the same. You hit OK. And hit done. So first off, we see we're going to go 49'4". This one looks like 32'8". 6/8. 18. 56. 22. 8/8. 15/4. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten everything up. Here we're going 12/4. No, we're not. Hold on. This one is 13/4 from here to here. 13/4. 49/4 on the back. Click here. 49/4. And here we have this 32/8. Gonna click somewhere in here. 32/8. 6/8. $18 feet. 56 feet. 22. 8/8. 15/4. Yep, we're good. Click there just to double check. Okay. So now we have our outside walls all ready to go. Next, we can go ahead and drop in our windows. I've got a window 4 here. We go over here to this. The window 4s are 28/68. Then we go here. So that's 2'8". 32 is 6'8". Okay. Oh wait, that was a door. Sorry. W4. I thought that was off. 3153. Okay. So 3'1", 5'3". 3763. I thought that was too big for a door or for a window. Okay. And now 5'2". It's probably going to be centered. So let's just go ahead and center it. Like so. Okay. Here I have a W3. W3 is 3132. 3'1", 3'2". Do not have a dimension for this window. Uh-oh, that's not good. How did that slip through? Okay. We'll center it on the room. Not a big deal. Put that one in last. W4, 17.4 off. Okay, so we got to take this one. I'm going to copy it. The window 4, 17.4 off the back end of this wall. 17.4. There it is. This is going to be different. Window 3, 3132. One of these. $31.32, and it's 5.8 off. 5.8. There it is. Keep on going with the windows. We have 2 of these. Let's go ahead and put one here. Put one here. You put 8 from each side, from the outside. 2 inches. 2 inches. Got those. Got another window 3, which is this one. Oh, that's a window 2. No, that's window 3. Window 3. And this one's going to be tricky to place. We have to place this other one first. It looks like we're missing a dimension for the door too. We probably came in late, that's why. All right, 5'7". What's a window 2? Window 2 is a 3142, so 3'1", 4'2". And on this window, you can type 4'2". You don't know that it's 50 inches, you can type 4'2", and it turns it to 50 for you. So you have it like that. Now, what do I have here? 22.8 and 5'7". 8. Now this one is 5'7". Okay, so that's that window. I got a W5, 4'6", 5'3". (4'6", 5'3". Okay. And I think none of these are fixed. Single home. Okay. Got it. 2 foot. I have 2'9". Why do I have 2'9"? Why wouldn't I have that 2'8"? Oh, because I centered it in the room. Okay. 2'9". Okay, so the only window that's not properly placed is this one. Let me scoot it back a bit. It's probably somewhere in there. Let's go ahead and place our doors. Door somewhere there. 768. You can change the door type. If you don't want it to look like that, you can go into your library. Oh, it's different on this version. And then you can go to all these entry doors and find one that you like. A lot of them aren't that great looking. Go with that. Okay. And then we need to space it 6 inches. Actually, I don't want it 6 inches. I want it 8 inches. The reason being is because I don't want to have to cut a block. The block is going to be 8 inches here. So when we put that rebar, we want to put it right in the middle where the block is. Concrete block looks like this. 16. It's actually 7 5/8. Now the block is got, it looks like this. It's actually like an 1.5 inches off of each side. Okay. So if we were to put that in here, see how this block actually snugs right up to the opening. So that's what we want. If it's too far over this way, we got to cut the block. If it's too close this way, we have to cut the block. Rather than cutting block and wasting block, I'm putting it exactly 16 inches so that it's one block dimension. We always try to do that whenever we can. No plan is going to have it perfect where you don't have to cut any blocks, but we try to save block whenever we can when we're designing a house. All right, so we have that door there. We got a sliding glass door, a door here, and a garage door. Let's put our slider in. Okay, our slider is 14'8" off of this edge of this window. Fourteen foot. Go ahead and keep these dimensions since we already do. Oh no, I'm gonna have to do it again. This is a D10, so it's a triple slider. D10. 9080, 9 foot by 8 foot. We're gonna put 9 foot. Nine foot. 8 foot. And we want it to be a triple slider, so it's a slider. But then we can go in here to options, put in 3. It's just going to be tempered glass actually, and then we should be good there. Hit OK. So now that changed our dimensions. We have to put it back again, 14'8". There it is. We're good. One other thing we do need to change on this is the object information. So this door is a slider. What we need to do is come over here to our details page. We're going to open it. Right here, let's see, for sliding glass door, we have all the information that we need. So what I usually do is I'll write this down. Let's say $8,900 PVC sliding glass door. Approval 11103.1. We're right here. And custom window systems. So I have the information I need written down now. I'm going to come over here and double click this door. Object information. We're going to change this FL number to 11103.1. Under comment, this is a PVC sliding glass door. $8,900, sorry, $8,900. And then JELD-WEN, we're going to change to custom window systems. I didn't do it right. Custom window systems. Hit OK. And then that will be correct when we do our door schedule. We need to put another door over here. So let's copy the same one. Actually, let's just put a regular door there. It says garage. This door, I don't know where we have it, but let's put it on a block measurement. Let's say 16 feet. Might be too far, might not. We'll check in a minute. So we have all our doors there. This door is okay to be a JELD-WEN. so we don't have to change it. It's already ready to go. It's just the typical exterior door. Same here. Typical exterior door. We're good. Okay. Now let's go ahead and create our porch. This porch is going to be a little bit tricky. Okay. Yeah, I know how I did that. You look at the elevation. I could do it both ways. Let's go ahead and draw our porch out. I'm going to use the invisible wall tool. You're going to come out like this, like this. Go ahead and click on it. We're going to call it a porch. -4. Okay, and then now we know that this comes out a foot and a foot. We're good. 1 foot from here to there, and 1 foot from here to there. Go ahead and actually go onto our floor plan dimension. And we're going to turn that square footage off. Go here to the O, standard area, hit OK. Notice our dimension got erased because I put it on here. This is why we're switching. Go ahead and erase these. We're going to go ahead and work in our floor plan view dimension. Okay, so I know I have that porch. Ceiling is not correct height. So let's go ahead and go back in. See, the ceiling on this is higher. Let's take a look at our elevation. Ceiling on this porch is 13 feet. Structure. So we're not going to use the rough ceiling. We're going to use the ceiling 13 feet because the rough ceiling will account for the -4 inches. I don't want to account for the -4 inches. I want to go from finished floor height. So that's why we used ceiling rather than rough ceiling. See, this is at 160 inches, which is 13.4. We want 13 feet. So that's why we did it that way. Now, when we look, our ceiling is elevated higher. Okay, so we have that porch. Now let's put in this porch. This one is 6'8" by 16. this. We're going to call it a porch. Structure, floor, -4. So that gives us our outer shell. Let's go ahead and draw our interior wall partitions. So this first wall goes 20'6" and then 2'7" back. 6, 2'7" back. And it goes something like this. Oh, but it's a 6-inch wall, so we need to go ahead and change this wall. Interior 6. Make sure I still have it correct here. Yes, I do. It's 20'6" from outside to inside. Good. 2'7". We're good. Now here, what happened to this dimension? Got a 14-foot here. 16.4. I should have one here, but I don't. Okay. No worries. We'll get to that when I get to it. All right, let's go. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and slide this over. Let me turn this off. Let me make it easier to move. I'll move. There we go. Let me see if I can do it point to point. Which one is my actual blueprint? I try to do a point to point. Let's see if I can move from here to there. Okay. This is not going to be perfect. This is just to get it close. And then the easy thing to do now is you can turn this on and off. By clicking out here, clicking O, Plans PDF, It's gone. You want it back on? Advanced PDF, turn it back on. Go ahead and do all these walls now. Oh, we gotta turn this back on. This makes it so it snaps to a direct angle. Like that. Over there, here. All the way. Go here. Here. So we got these walls in. Go ahead, put these walls in now. Here's 6. See if we have all the walls. Well, we still have this half wall here, but I'll do that with a CAD. Let's turn it off. Actually, it's not turn it off. Let's scoot it over. Okay, looks like we have all the walls here. Let's go ahead and finish this side up. 3'5" from here to here. 3 good. Then we're going 6 foot. 6. Okay, then 5'4". Then 17.8. Checks out. Perfect. That's good. Now we're going to run this way. This one we know we didn't have. We got it at 9.1. That's fine. This one is going to be, oh, I have to put this one in order to get this one. Let's go ahead and run these. Let's finish this side. Got an 11.8, a 2.4. We got a 2'4". (5'4". This one's going to line up with that one. So let's make sure that they match. Okay, now 2'4". 11'4". 3'8". Okay, that's all of those. Vertical. Did we get this one? 11'8". Yes, we did. Okay. Now we got to run them this way. So let's go ahead and start with the closet. We got a 9'2". This one is actually, let's erase this and run this one all the way up. That. Uh, tie it in again. There we go. Okay, so we know we got this wall is good. Now we need to place this one 12'8". There. This is 12'8". Here. What I'm gonna do is just run across and create an opening there. I'll show you the difference. We come in here like this. We look at it. It goes all the way to the ceiling. Open. But if we put a doorway in there instead, if we tie this all the way up, we can place doorway in there. I could still open it all the way up, but now when we look in there, it's got a doorway. And we can change this to 96. Didn't like that. All right, let's go in here and change this to 96. Oh, there we go. That looks better. And if we don't want casings, we don't need to have casings either. We can go in here to casings, get rid of the casings. We can get rid of the jam. And the threshold. And then you would just have a wall like that. That's all. And if you want it to be decorative or not decorative. So we have that there, but one other thing we need to do with openings. We don't need to order openings. We just build them so we can take them off the schedule. And we don't need a label for it. You have that there. Or we could have a label for it and describe the opening. Probably what I'll do. I'll just leave it blank. Actually, I will. I'm going to put this will tell them to make it 5 foot wide by 8 foot tall. Okay, now I got all my walls in. Let's double check. 16.4. Okay, yeah, I'm right because it's pulling from outside to outside. On here, it's pulling from outside to inside. So we're good there. This wall should be 20'4". Okay, that's right now. So I got those, and now we need to do these. Now I need a 3/8 and a 14. 8 and 14. That's perfect. So these should be good. Now I'm running a 6/8, 3/8, and a 7/4. 6 foot 8. 3 foot 8. And a 7/4. Okay, and everything else should be fine. So that there gives us all of the walls. Let's go ahead and place our window where we want it for this bedroom. We want it centered, or this bathroom. We want it centered. So we'll center it there. And now that's good to go. The closet seems tight. 2/4. No, that's right. Okay, now let's go ahead and place our doors. Oh, we forgot to place the garage door too. Let's go ahead and place our garage door. Going to be a 16-foot garage door. So 16 foot wide. See how tall it is. Seven foot tall. So 16 by 7. Yep. 84 inches, so 7 feet. So we're good. And it should already have the door information inside. Let's double check. Object information. Amar. Yep. It's good. Garage doors in. Now let's place our bedroom doors. Forward. B04. That's gonna be probably a 30-inch. No, 2'8", 6'8". Okay. Seems a little tight. Something is not right. I should have a 3'6" gap here. Let's double check. No, that's right. Okay, it's just gonna be tight. Way tight. Yeah, see, that casing slams right up against. It just barely fits, but it fits. All right, let's go with it. Okay, so we have a D4 there. We have another D4 here. You just go ahead and put it in. It goes inside and it swings in that direction. So we're fine there. Keep 3 inches off. All right. We have a closet door, bifold. Go ahead and put that one in. What is that? A 6-footer? D9. Yep. 6 foot. I'll just center it in the closet. Probably got another one over there. So let's put it over here. Snap it in. So we got those two in. This is a D5. Why do I have a D5? Oh, because it opens the other way. Yep. Okay. We can copy the same door and we're going to put it over here. I guess we could leave it like that. That's fine. And then they can all order the same swing. Let's do it like that. Like that. What door do we have here? A D3. 24-inch door. Center it. Okay. And now let's scoot this way. We have all our doors on this side done. Let's go ahead and put our barn door in. Sliding door, pocket door, barn door. That in. Let's change the feel of it here. Let's pull it that way. There we go. Barn door. Okay, we need this door here. Flip it. Now this door is a garage to house door. So it's going to need this note here. "20-minute fire rated steel, honeycomb door with self-closing device. I like to keep it centered like that. I'll put that there. Let's shrink this a little. Let's shrink it a little more. We'll put it right here like this. Put an arrow there. So now we know that's a fire door. That fire door, we need to go ahead and put it in here under options. We could put fire door. Oh, and it is actually not that kind of looking door. So we need to go into library. Yep. What the panel looks like. Let's just pick a slab door. Okay. They do make fire rated doors paneled actually. Let me pick a panel door. They look nicer. That one looks good. Okay. So we have that door in. Look at door 7. 20-minute fire rated steel. Actually, let me put that in the comments. That's probably a masonite door too. Let me see. With 20-minute fire rated. Let me see who makes that door. 1 second. Oh, we don't have a manufacturer for it, so we can take the manufacturer out. Contact information. We don't need this number. We don't need that. All we need is that comment. So that is that door. And then we just need to place the rest of the regular doors. We have at door 5, 2868.
Oye, Papa,
Yeah.
¿me vas a hacer un favor?
What?
Mover un poco las macetas esas que están ahí debajo del que venimos ahora con el LED.
Yeah.
Para que haya movimiento.
Yeah, 1 second.
Ah, okay. Yo voy a hundir por.
Okay. Okay, we have 2868 there. We're good. We have a D4. What's a D4? 2868. Most of these are going to be 2868s. Just here. Let's flip it this way, scoot it up. 4 inches is good off the thing. Let's go here. And rotate it. I'm going to go here. Flip it. These doors are door 2 and 3. One or 2 and 3. 24-inch doors. The same door right here. Put it like that. And here we have an opening. So what we're going to do here is take out the jamb, take out the casing. Take out the threshold. And tuck it all the way to here. To there. And we need to take out no schedule, no label. We want it at 96. So this one is actually 3'6". Okay. So here we're going to put 36. 3680. There. I think we only got one door left, and that goes to here. The D4, it's a D4. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's tuck it off. So we got room for the casing, 4 inches. All right, and that's all the doors. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video here so it doesn't take forever to upload. And then I'll go ahead and go back in and do the next video where we'll be putting in all the appliances and setting up the kitchen and doing the porches. All right.